Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So here's the first look at the community garden plot in a long time. As you can see, I've got the landscape fabric all laid down on my growing areas. You walk in here. What I'm doing today is I'm going to be planting tomatoes. You can see I have them laid out where I'm going to plant them. And here's some asparagus that I started last year. It's very thin, I don't know why. I had to put a tomato cage around it because I didn't want the asparagus to break. It's very flimsy and blowing in the wind. So that's that. I have, you can see this is the Valerian Root that came back from last year. And it's huge. And you can see it's about to go to flower. So I'm going to be interested to see what these flowers look like because I have no idea. They look like they might be white, I'm not sure. But it's pretty interesting. It's very, very large. See, there's the tomatoes that are laid out. I already have one that I planted. There it is. And I used that fertilizer in the bottom of the hole, dug it in. And over here, I have my garlic that's growing very nicely. I have to get in here and weed. As you can see, weeds popped up. Here's a leek that came back from last year. It looks pretty good. And like I said, as you can see, there's a lot of weeds in here that got to get pulled. And here's all my walking onions, and they're very thick. So it looks really good for those. You see I laid the hay, the straw, I mean, all along my walking path. So it looks really, really good, I think. Oh, and here's a bunch of garlic chives that pop up everywhere, and I just let them grow. I guess I should transplant them or something, but there's so many, it's kind of crazy. But yeah, that's an update for now. As I progress, I'll give you more updates on what the community garden looks like and what I'm going to plant where. But for now, I'm pretty satisfied. Oh, and here are my sunchokes. Look at those things. They're growing like crazy. They look really pretty at that stage, nice and green and lush and thick. So yeah, looks pretty good. All right, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, everyone.